Hello Quillers, this is Agnes and welcome to Agnes Paper and Crafts. Today's video will be on making this quilling on an embroidery hoop. I'm going to use a 14-inch diameter embroidery hoop for this project as the frame. Few different shades of blues and white are the colors that I will be using. This frame is about 1 cm high and the quilling papers are also 1 cm, that is 10 mm in width. The quilling shape needed for this project is I or Marquise shape. Make a loose coil and pinch both the ends of the coil to make a Marquise shape. I make plenty of these shapes in all the different blue shades. To the frame, I add semicircles made from sky blue and craft brown cardstock. I place a sheet of plastic so the glue don't stick to the working surface. I go with the darkest blue for the first layer. I dab glue to about half the base of the quill shape, and this first row is adhered to the sky blue cardstock. For the next row, I apply glue to the side of the quill shape and adhere these shapes to the previous row of quill pieces. Since the base is left open, we need to adhere the sides of the quill shapes together. On the third row, I go with the next darkest color. After few rows, I randomly add waves. I use white quilling paper and fold them in zigzag manner. They can be folded to any sizes and lengths as you prefer. I glue them to the previous row of quill shapes. I use this reverse tweezer which can hold the papers by itself. It is a very useful tweezer I have ever found. Then I again keep adding the quill Marquise shapes, going from the next turquoise blue color and then to the sky blue color. After finishing, I'm planning to check if they look good with open back, or I would add blue cardstock to the base. I does it with my wall art beach scenes. I am a person who prefers to avoid seeing white behind these blue strips. Anyway, that is a personal preference. When I have some excess glue on the base, I usually use a wet tissue to wipe off the glue as soon as possible. This avoids any dried glue shade over the cardstock. Once dry, we can peel off the plastic paper in the back side. Then I use silicone glue from Itsy to stick the cardstock to the wood. Hope you like this video. When you give it a try, do tag me so I will be excited to see how you came up with. Thanks for watching. My other videos: fillers in quilling, how to photograph your quilling, tips and tricks on ornate quilling, and more.